Halloween's right on the corner. Halloween's right on the corner.
Halloween's right on the corner.
Access granted.
Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe. Yeah, that was a bit of a short song where it was played by me.
And anyways, yeah, Halloween's just a few days away from us. And as we all know, Halloween is an event, is a festival. So is my video now. Anyways, without wasting any time, let's see some of the best accessories for Halloween 2021. And maybe for the future Halloweens also. Yeah, let's check this out. This is a money heist costume. Oh, everyone is familiar with the money heist. I don't need to explain that show. At least, even those who haven't watched it, they at least have watched the trailer or they know something about it. And if you haven't watched, then shame on you. Sorry, that wasn't professional. Anyways, let's see this. 90%. Look at this mask. Enough to impress the professor, and even scare in the darkness. Yeah, put this mask on right here. Scare somebody in the dark. The first sight of light, and they see this mask in the close-up, and they're gonna see, oh, so the robbers are actually here. Yeah, then he can't. That's all the story, anyways. All you need is a red boiler suit, this mask, and it is. Let's see, it's at pound 24.99. Let's see.
Oh,
It's unavailable. Oh no, it's unavailable. I'm late. This is the zombie. Absolute dead scary. This. I hope you don't kill somebody though. These zombies aren't gonna hurt you. This ain't Walking Dead. They're just persons with brains actually. Yeah. Anything. Just don't turn into one zombie. Let's see this. It's pound 27.99. Let's see if this actually is available or not. It's on, baby, it's on. People are gonna get scared right away. Here are some special accessories for women. For ladies, here's your accessories. Let's see this. First is the Harley Quinn costume. Yeah, the Suicide Squad and the DC hero Harley Quinn. This look is enough to scare a big bad boy even. Yeah. I remember this line by Suicide Squad. What was that name? I forgot that name. I haven't watched the dialogue from the movie. Pretty good for a girl who loves chaos and loves a basketball bat. This is still here. Yeah, buy this. Yeah, you need to purchase it quickly. It's still here. Don't be late. Let's see the next one. Purse. Oh, fuck. Look at this. This is 10 times scarier than the money heist mask. Oh, I think Michael Myers wants a competition with that. Or even Jason Voorhees, yeah.
They have some competition now with this mask.
Look at this shit. Seriously terrifying. Oh my god. I wonder if we see if its close-up face in the first light of sight in the darkness, what a reaction is gonna be. Come on, you need a sinister mask, some comfy hoodies, and some track pants, which everybody can afford. Oh, sold out. I'm late in this one. Another one for the ladies is the Scarlet Witch for women. WandaVision. Oh, who doesn't know this girl? Elizabeth Olsen, the Avengers one, the WandaVision. Everyone remembers her for this role. Yeah, the red dress may seem normal from the outside, but outside is always a deceptiveness, just like looks are. This outfit is real shit. Ladies, you need to buy this right now. Oh, here it is, the Joker, a man with his own backstory. Dark Knight was a tremendous hit. Yeah, Joker got recognition here very much. Yeah, I gotta say that Heath Ledger's Joker was absolutely great. I don't have any words to describe that. And the Joker may appear funny outside, but it is a real demon outside. You can see outside it is very funny, but inside it is
Psychotic, deranged, mentally sick, and mercilessly killing everybody.
I don't mean to scare the little children who are watching my video. Please don't get scared. Please don't tell your mommy now. It is available. Yeah, I'm not late finally. I'm not late in this one.
Game over.
So the timing for my show is over and I'm gonna see you the next time, guys. So take care of yourself, guys, and so long. Bye.